Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, swap adjacent words. First we will see the solution in C. The program starts by declaring variables and including necessary libraries, stdio.h and stdlib.h. Int main, the main function is the entry point of the program. It returns an integer. Char str, 2000, declares a two-dimensional array str to store up to 2000 words, each with a maximum length of 2000 characters. Int I equals 0, initializes a counter variable I to 0. It will be used to keep track of the number of words read. While scanf %s str I equals 1 reads input words using scanf until there are no more words to read. Increments I for each word read. I++, the body of the while loop, increments the counter I after reading each word. 4. Int j equals 0, j less than I 1, j++ starts a for loop to iterate through the words in the array str up to the second to last word. If strcmp str j str I 1 equals 0 checks if the current word at index j is equal to the last word in the array. If j1 equals 0 and j+1 I 1 checks if there are valid adjacent words, before and after, to the current word. Char temp 101 declares a temporary array temp to hold the value of the previous word during swapping. strcpy temp str j1 copies the content of the word before the current word into the temporary array. strcpy str j1 str j+1 swaps the content of the word before the current word with the content of the word after the current word. strcpy str j+1 temp swaps the content of the word after the current word with the content stored in the temporary array. 4. Int j equals 0, j less than I 1, j++ starts another loop to iterate through the modified array, excluding the last word. Printf %s str j prints each word followed by a space. Next, we will see the solution in Python. S equals input.strip.split reads a line from standard input, removes leading and trailing whitespaces, and then splits the line into a list of words using the space character as a delimiter. Wrówna się input.strip, emoticon smutek. Reads another line from standard input, removes leading and trailing whitespaces, and assigns the result to the variable w. L equals lens. Calculates the length of the list S and assigns it to the variable L. For I in range 1, L, 1. Iterates over the indices of the list S, excluding the first and last elements. If S, I equals W. Checks if the current element in the list is equal to the target word W. S, I, 1, S, I plus 1 equals S, I plus 1, S, I, 1. If the condition is true, swaps the adjacent elements, one before and one after the current element, using tuple unpacking. Print, *s. Prints the modified list S by unpacking its elements. This prints the words separated by a space. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.